Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking developments in the world of handheld gaming. Get ready because the spotlight is now shining brightly on the highly anticipated ASUS ROG Ally 2, a portable gaming console that could completely redefine what handheld gaming means. Over the past few months, tech enthusiasts, gamers, and industry insiders have been buzzing about the potential game-changing features of the ASUS ROG Ally 2. Based on multiple reliable leaks and credible sources, the official release of the ASUS ROG Ally 2 seems just around the corner. And let me tell you, this could be the device that shakes up the portable gaming market in a big way. If you recall, last summer, ASUS introduced the ROG Ally X, which was more of a mid-generation upgrade rather than a revolutionary step forward. The Ally X brought some notable improvements. It featured a larger 80-watt battery, offered more RAM, and significantly expanded storage capacity. However, one key aspect remained unchanged: the processor. The Ally X continued using the AMD Z1 Extreme APU, which, despite being powerful and still outperforming many newer Intel chips, left some gamers wanting more innovation. Now, with AMD's latest chipsets hitting the market, including the much-anticipated Z2 Extreme, the timing couldn't be better for ASUS to introduce something that's more than just an incremental update. And that's exactly what the ROG Ally 2 promises to deliver. From the information that's been surfacing, ASUS seems to be taking a smart two-model approach with the ROG Ally 2. There will reportedly be two distinct versions, a more budget-friendly white model and a premium black model that's designed for hardcore gamers. Let's talk first about the white model. This version is geared toward casual gamers who are looking for a balanced mix of affordability and portable performance. It's rumored to be powered by the AMD Z0 processor, which is built on an older architecture and features fewer CPU cores compared to the more powerful Z1 Extreme. This news initially caused some concerns within the gaming community. Some people worried that this chip might not be powerful enough to handle modern games efficiently. However, the reality is that this version will likely be perfect for those who play indie games, less graphically intensive titles, and cloud-based games, without needing top-tier hardware. It's aimed at gamers who care more about portability, battery life, and affordability than pushing every frame to the max. A solid point of comparison here is the Lenovo Go S, which uses a similar processor and can handle light to mid-range gaming quite smoothly. If ASUS prices this white model right, it could be a real winner in the affordable handheld console category. Bold new design, comfort meets style. One of the most exciting updates in the ROG Ally 2 is its complete design overhaul. ASUS is moving away from the sleek, minimalist look of previous models and embracing a more ergonomic, controller-inspired design. Leaked images suggest that the device will feature curved edges, larger grips, and a chunkier, more comfortable form factor, a design philosophy that feels similar to classic controllers like the Nintendo 64's gamepad. This is a huge step forward, especially for gamers who play for long hours and need a device that feels natural in their hands. What's really smart is that ASUS is reportedly keeping the screen size at 7 inches. This maintains the perfect balance between portability and immersion. It's still compact enough to fit easily in your backpack or even a larger pocket, but the display remains large enough to deliver a solid visual experience. When you compare this to bulkier handhelds like the Steam Deck or Ayaneo devices, the ROG Ally 2 stands out as more travel-friendly. Now, let's shift our attention to the flagship black model, which is clearly built for serious gamers and tech enthusiasts who demand maximum performance. This version is expected to run on AMD's brand new Z2 Extreme APU, which is based on the highly efficient Zen 5 architecture. Early benchmarks and performance leaks suggest that this chip could offer up to a 20% performance boost over the Z1 Extreme. It means faster load times, buttery smooth gameplay even in demanding AAA titles, superior heat management, and more consistent frame rates. These improvements are critical for gamers who don't want to compromise when playing the latest graphically intensive games on a handheld system. In addition, the black model is rumored to ship with up to 32 GB of blazing fast LPDDR5 RAM, giving it the ability to handle multitasking and future-proof gaming requirements. Storage options are expected to start at 1 TB and possibly go up to a massive 4 TB. That's practically laptop-level storage in the palm of your hand. Such large storage capacity is a huge plus in the current gaming landscape, where modern games can easily take up over 100 GB each. You'll be able to carry an extensive library of games wherever you go, whether you prefer action RPGs, open-world adventures, or competitive online titles. Battery life is another area where ASUS seems to be stepping up its game. While the exact battery capacity hasn't been officially confirmed, it's strongly rumored that the ROG Ally 2 will support 100-watt fast charging. This is a significant upgrade for portable gaming devices. Faster charging means less downtime and more gaming on the go. You won't have to wait hours to get back into your favorite games, just plug in for a short time, and you're ready to go again, combined with more power-efficient processors. This could give the ROG Ally 2 exceptional playtime compared to earlier models. One of the most fascinating leaks surrounding the ROG Ally 2 is the rumored inclusion of a dedicated Xbox button on the black model. This suggests a potential strategic collaboration between ASUS and Microsoft. This partnership could lead to deeper Xbox ecosystem integration, including a streamlined Xbox-style user interface layered over Windows. One of the major complaints about Windows on handheld devices is that it's not very user-friendly. It's designed for desktops, not small-screen portable consoles. A custom Xbox-centric launcher could solve this problem, making the ROG Ally 2 feel more like a true gaming console rather than a tiny PC. If this feature materializes, it could bring seamless access to Xbox Game Pass, Xbox Cloud Gaming, and cross-platform multiplayer support. Imagine booting up your ROG Ally 2 and jumping straight into your Xbox library with the press of a button. It's a thrilling possibility. Such integration would be a direct challenge to the Steam Deck's console-like SteamOS, and it could finally offer a smooth, console-style experience for Windows handhelds. Comfort and ergonomics have always been key factors in handheld gaming, and ASUS seems to have taken this to heart with the ROG Ally 2. Many gamers complain about hand fatigue and awkward grips with other devices after long play sessions. With its chunkier, controller-inspired body and improved grip design, the Ally 2 looks like it's been engineered for extended comfort. This redesign addresses long-standing complaints in the portable gaming space and shows that ASUS is listening to its community. By maintaining the 7-inch display size, ASUS is also striking the perfect balance, compact enough for portability, but still large enough to provide immersive visuals and smooth gameplay. The introduction of 2 models is a smart move that positions ASUS to appeal to both casual and hardcore gamers. The white model is perfect for those who want an affordable, lightweight device for on-the-go gaming, indie games, and cloud streaming. It's a practical option for people who want mobility and solid performance without breaking the bank. The black model is for serious gamers who need top-tier hardware, lightning-fast RAM, and massive storage to handle today's most demanding games. It's a portable powerhouse that could rival some entry-level gaming laptops. The ASUS ROG Ally 2 seems poised to make a significant impact on the handheld gaming industry. If the leaks and rumors hold true, it could not only compete with devices like the Steam Deck and Neo 2S but also set new standards for Windows handhelds. Whether you're a casual gamer who enjoys quick gaming sessions during your commute, or a hardcore player who demands the best portable experience, the ASUS ROG Ally 2 seems ready to deliver. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.